Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly remarkable to talk about: the AKOFUN 6000W solar street light, which claims to be the best outdoor solar street light on the market. Let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's talk about the key features of the AKOFUN 6000W solar street light. Super wide-angle lighting. The AKOFUN solar street light boasts an impressive 240 degrees wide-angle lighting design, providing a broader range of illumination compared to regular street lights. With an illumination area of up to 2,800 square feet, it effectively eliminates dark spots and ensures the safety of you and your family. Dusk-to-dawn lighting. One of the standout features is its automatic dusk-to-dawn lighting. Equipped with a light control system, it turns on at dusk and off at dawn. But that's not all. You can customize the brightness levels using the included remote control. And it also features a 26 feet radar sensing range for quick reactions to motion and full illumination. No electricity bill. This solar street light is a money saver. With 6000 W of power and a 3.2V 40,000 mAh battery that can last up to 50,000 hours, you won't need to worry about electricity bills. It's also IP66 waterproof, so it works well in all weather conditions. It automatically turns on at dusk and off during the day, providing continuous lighting for up to 36 hours when fully charged. Intelligent control. The AKOFUN solar street light comes with a remote control that allows for easy long-distance operation. You can choose from different lighting modes, including light sensing mode and motion sensing mode, as well as adjust the brightness across 4 levels. It even offers 5 timing sets for added convenience. Easy installation. Installation is a breeze with the included wall and pole mounting accessories. No wiring is required, making it perfect for streets, roads, parking lots, basketball courts, gardens, courtyards, and more. Plus, it features a built-in 40Ah lithium battery for stability and long-lasting performance. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about my personal experience with the AKOFUN solar street light. I was impressed with how easy it was to install. It took me no time to set it up in my backyard. The wide-angle lighting truly illuminated a large area, eliminating dark corners and enhancing security. The remote control was a handy addition, allowing me to adjust the brightness and lighting mode from the comfort of my home. The fact that it's solar-powered and doesn't generate electricity bills is a huge plus. It's environmentally friendly and cost-effective. I also appreciated the durability of this light, as it continued to work well even during rainy weather. So, is the AKOFUN 6000W solar street light the best outdoor solar street light on the market? Well, it certainly has a lot going for it, from its wide-angle lighting to intelligent control and no electricity bills. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor lighting and enhance the security of your property, this product is worth considering. That wraps up our review of the AKOFUN solar street light. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with this product, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.